Cameraman Joel Lodabo, Jason, Maria with this. Hello? Hello? Ini center lagi na bawasan ko nila.
Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Please, bro. Anybody have money? It's an emergency. Steve, I want to get high. Oh no. Hey, Steve. Oh. Where's the money now? Hey, where's the money? I don't have one. Where's the money? Oh. You have to give me money. Otherwise I'll kill you. Look at this piece of nothing. His life is gone for a waste. What is he useless? He's just useless now.
It is not his fault he's like this. You made him choose this life.
He chose this life. He chose his decision. All of it was his choice. What did I do?
It is because of the community neglect and you made him choose this life.
You could have changed him. Why did you do that?
He didn't listen to me.
That's not my fault. It is your fault.
It is your fault.
It is totally your fault.
No, it is your fault.
It is your fault.
No, it is your fault.
Shall we see whose fault it is?
Yes, let's see.
Shall we? Dad! What happened here? Dad! Are you drunk? All this! No! You! Dad! What are you doing? You bloody! I'm going to tell this to my mom. She will understand me. Mom! Mom, look at the dad.
Just don't disturb me. I have work.
He's drunk.
No. Sorry.
He's abusing me.
No. I can't handle with you today. Just go and sit down. Yes,
Why no one is understanding me? No one is ready to listen to me. Hi, Macha, what's up? What happened? It's okay, I'll leave now. It's complicated.
Just come, we can go to the canteen.
Hey, it's already time now.
Hey, come da.
Hey, already told, right? She's there. Hey.
What is his behavior, Sudeep?
Sorry, ma'am.
Go, get inside the class. Sit in your place. All you said is finish with the class. Sudeep,
Ma'am,
what is this? You're always failing in all of your subjects. Why is it so?
ma'am,
Stop, Sudeep. Just tell me, what's this mark in your subject?
ma'am,
Stop, I don't need your explanation. Tell me why your marks are lower.
ma'am.
Stop, Sudeep. Stop. Don't talk against me. I need why your marks are lower.
Ma'am, that's...
Stop, Sudeep. Go sit in your place.
sorry, Sonali.
No, don't come near me. Discuss me.
Hey,
What happened in college today? You're failing in all your subjects. You're total loser, Sudeep.
hey, you know, right? I have some problems in
No,
my
I don't
family.
want to know your excuses, Sudeep. Enough of this.
At least you understand me, Sonali.
Why should I understand you, Sudeep?
You're my girlfriend.
No, I don't want to be a girlfriend anymore.
Sonali, please.
No.
Why?
I have to
What
go.
happened?
You don't come out to party with me. You don't have fun. You're not fun at all, Sudeep.
I'm not that kind of person.
I don't care, Sudeep. I want to leave. Hi,
Sonali,
baby.
please. Please, Sonali, no. So my girlfriend left me.
Hey, just leave it now.
Let's go to Yeah, I don't drink da. Hey, no problem. Yeah, I don't drink da, Macha. Please. Hey, no. Yeah, leave him da. Let's party. Instagram. Stories.
Take a shot. Take a shot.
What? My girlfriend is with another guy? No! Hey, give it up.
Hey, what was it? What happened? Hey, what the?
Water.
I want to get rid of this heart-wrenching pain, Macha.
Okay, just drink this also.
I don't. Was this my fault? Was the community's fault? They made him do this. What did I do?
The community can be better. The community is a good community.
This community is a drastic waste. It matters nothing. No human being matters to it. It just leaves people. It does not care about people. It just leaves them to the road. Just like Sudeep.
Actually, community can make this nation a drug-free nation. Understand that.
I don't think so. That is possible. If you want to see, I can prove that also.
Okay, what if the community is actually good and includes him? Nobody
gonna happen.
understood him.
That's not gonna happen. Shall we see?
Yeah, let's see.
Let's see.
What happened? If you're late today,
Sorry, ma'am.
so okay, go and sit in your place. Sudeep,
Ma'am,
your marks are low, Sudeep. What happened?
ma'am, I have some issues
What issues? If you can talk it out, Sudeep.
with the personal problems.
No problem, Sudeep. If you're comfortable, you can share it with me. It will be confidential. No one will know about it.
Okay. So, my father is alcoholic, and my mother is not ready to listen to me.
It's okay, Sudeep. Everyone have problem in their life. Just keep your mind occupied with it. Don't let these things problem you. Okay? Just join in clubs. If you're comfortable, you can go and meet people, counseling. Everything is possible. You're a good student. Don't let these things take over you. Okay? You can take it.
Thank you, ma'am. Macha, same problem, ra. Family.
Hey, just leave the
Macha,
crap.
leave it, ra.
Let's have some fun.
Fun?
Yeah.
I won't drink, Macha.
Hey.
Macha, who said fun is all about drinking and drugs? It's more about good stuff, ra.
What, Ra?
Go to some good place. Yeah. We have to go to some ride, long ride.
Hey, I think Ladakh is a good place now.
Oh, yeah, da. Okay.
Let's go there.
Let's try it. Yeah.
Sudeep? I know what's going on with you, Sudeep. I'm always here for you. You know that, right?
Yeah, thank you, Sonali.
I'll give you the space that you need and I'm always here for you and you can talk to me anything.
I know you are a good girlfriend.
I know, Sudeep. I love Are you Sudeep? Your father is jailed for a drunken drive case, so pay the penalty and take it.
Okay, ma'am, sure.
But I'll suggest you for a rehab program. I'll give you a social worker number. You can talk to them.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, come in.
This is Rupesh.
Oh yeah, the police told about you.
Yeah.
Hello, what is your name? Sudeep. That's
Yeah.
right. This must be your father.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, sir. How are you doing?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I heard about your situation. I think first you must be put into the detoxification center, then you will be alright. Sir, have to talk to your son separately, can I? Sudeep, I know you're going through a lot of pressure, especially from your family. Your father is a drunkard and you must take care of him. And as a community member and as a youth, we should establish a lot of clubs, anti-drug-free clubs, which will create awareness to the youth to stop their drinking. One important thing that we can do as youth community is to establish drug-free parties and also awareness campaigns to all the things. According to research, half of the youth are getting addicted to illicit drugs at the age of 18 due to the peer pressure and also from their family. Together, first let us stop the drug abuse from happening.
What kind of a society? This happens in every person's dream, but this will never happen in reality.
Actually, you know what? You're gonna see your death. There is a magic for it. You know what? For that magic, I'm gonna put another magic. Abracadabra, abracadabra, show! So, if the community change, you will see your death. Go die, devil!
Thank you for that great performance. Alone we can do so little. Together we can do so much, as quoted by Helen Keller. Aptly explains the power a community holds with it. And street play actors often find themselves reaching out to the hearts of communities through street play. So on behalf of Department of Sociology and Social Work, I would like to thank all of you to watch this amazing performance. The validity of the event will be at 5 o'clock. Please be present there. Thank you and have a great day.